Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily add app limit on your iPhone. So for doing this, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find screen time, so just turn on screen time. If you turn it off, so here you need to choose the second option. Here you will see app limits, set limits for apps, so just open it. Now just tap on add limit, and now just tap on social. For example, Facebook. Now just tap on next. So here you can also choose what time for day you can add for social media. So for example 15 minutes every day, so you can also choose it here, and now just tap on add. So this is the way how you can easily add app limit on your iPhone for every app. So this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.